How much should you actually spend on a gimbal for your iPhone 14 Pro Max? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. First up is the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. This sleek gray gimbal caught my attention with its impressive features and is priced around $125.45. If you want cinema quality stabilization for your videos, this is worth a serious look. The Osmo Mobile 7P shines with its robust 3-axis gimbal stabilization, meaning you'll get crystal clear footage even on the move. It offers a max operating time of 10 hours, so you won't be left hanging during your shoots. The built-in extension rod and tripod make it super versatile for both vlogging and selfies. Plus, the integrated DJI Mimo app allows for one-tap edits, making your filming experience seamless. And with over 4,000 units sold in just the past month, it's clear that people love it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've ever struggled with shaky footage, this gimbal could be your solution. Now, some people complained about its weight, saying it feels a bit heavy after prolonged use. Here's the thing though, while it might be slightly heavier than some options, the stability and features it offers make it well worth it if you're serious about content creation. This is perfect for you if you're a dedicated vlogger or filmmaker looking for that pro touch in your videos. Skip this one if you want something ultra lightweight for casual use. For the price, the Osmo Mobile 7P delivers exceptional value. Now, if the Osmo's weight concerns you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability. Product number 2, AOCHUAN Smart XC. Next up is the AOCHUAN Smart XC gimbal, priced at $65.87. This one really caught my eye because of its portable design and powerful features. If you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers great results, this is worth a serious look. The Smart XC is designed with a powerful 3-axis stabilization system that keeps your shots steady, even during action-packed moments. It boasts a 2600 mAh battery that allows for up to 10 hours of continuous shooting, which is great for those long filming sessions. The innovative focus wheel and zoom slide let you shoot like a pro without needing to have advanced filmmaking skills. Plus, the gimbal's compact design means it can easily fit in your bag, making it perfect for on-the-go content creators. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many people find this model appealing. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're out and about making vlogs or capturing memories, the convenience of this gimbal is a game changer. Now, some users mention the lack of advanced features like AI tracking. Here's the thing though, if you're a casual user or just starting, those features might not be necessary. This is perfect for you if you want a solid gimbal without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for high-end features and tracking capabilities. For the price, the Smart XC is an excellent deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list brings some serious tech to the table. Product number 3, COMITOK L7C Pro. Coming in hot is the COMITOK L7C Pro, priced at just $38. This one surprised me with its features for such an affordable price. If you're looking to capture stunning video without a big investment, this is worth a serious look. The 3-axis stabilization on the L7C Pro is impressive for its price point, allowing you to shoot smooth videos without breakage. Plus, it features 9 intelligent AI tracking, which helps you keep your subject in frame effortlessly. The compact design makes it easy to carry around, and it folds down to a size that fits right in your pocket, making it perfect for spontaneous filming. With over 500 units sold recently, it's gaining traction among budget-conscious creators. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want to start creating content without spending a fortune, this gimbal is a fantastic entry point. Some users pointed out that it might not be as durable as pricier options. But here's the thing, for casual use, or if you're just getting started, this durability isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or a casual user who wants something reliable without a hefty price tag. Skip this one if you're a pro looking for advanced features. Honestly, for the price, you get a lot of bang for your buck. Now, if you want something a bit more premium, the next option might just blow you away. Product number 4, Hohem iSteady M7. Next, we have the Hohem iSteady M7, which is on the pricier side at $340.87. I'll be real with you, this gimbal comes packed with features that will impress serious creators. If you want the best in tech and versatility, this is worth a serious look. The iSteady M7 features a detachable remote with a 1.4-inch touchscreen, making it super easy to control your shots. It also has a built-in extension pole that allows for creative angles, and the integrated RGB fill light ensures your subject is always well lit. The 12-hour battery life is a standout, especially for lengthy shoots. With its professional-grade features, it's no wonder this model has been gaining popularity with over 50 units sold recently. Now, some users found it a bit complex to set up at first. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the creative possibilities it opens up are worth that initial learning curve. This is perfect for you if you're a serious content creator or a filmmaker who wants high-end features. Skip this one if you're just doing casual filming or don't want to invest heavily. For the features, the iSteady M7 is a solid investment. Now, if you're still looking for something more traditional, the next one on the list might catch your eye. Product number 5, DJI Osmo Mobile 7. Finally, we have the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 priced at $74.76. I was genuinely surprised by how lightweight it is while still providing excellent stabilization. If you're looking for something reliable without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The Osmo Mobile 7 offers seamless 3-axis stabilization, ensuring your videos maintain that professional touch. It features Active Track 7, which means it can follow moving subjects with ease, and the built-in tripod allows for hands-free shooting. Plus, it has a battery life of 10 hours, so you can shoot all day long without worrying about it dying on you. With no reviews yet, but its reputation from past models makes it a notable choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want a gimbal that's both easy to use and effective, the Osmo Mobile 7 is a solid choice. Now, some users mention that it lacks advanced features found in more expensive models. But here's the thing, for everyday users, this gimbal covers all the basics without feeling overwhelming. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, no-frills gimbal for general use. Skip this one if you're seeking cutting-edge features or high-end performance. For the quality provided at this price, the Osmo Mobile 7 offers great value. So to wrap it up, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P is great for serious creators. AOCHUAN Smart XC is perfect for budget users. COMITOK L7C Pro is awesome for beginners. Hohem iSteady M7 is for those who want premium features, and the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 is a reliable, lightweight option. Depending on your needs and budget, there's definitely a gimbal here for you. Happy filming!